guys, back again. So what you have here is the welding machine. It's a Gene SP22 welding machine, which goes up to 200 amps. Goes up to 200 amps. So the complaint was it's no longer powering on, and before it did that, it was flashing the yellow light. So we all know that the yellow light is showing us that there is a fault on it. So we've identified the fault. It's on these 3 IGBTs. One of them is still fine, but we're just gonna order all of them. So let's quickly test and confirm that they are definitely bad. So these ones I've identified as the bad ones. The 3 ones are the front ones fine. So let me switch on my meter. Okay, so my meter is on. So we have a short. We start with this one. You can see here. There's a short there and a short there, so all pins are short. Here we have a short here, we have a short here, and then no short there, but one of the pins is shorted. So this one's broken already. Unfortunately it broke while I was removing it, but I confirmed already that it's faulty. And then this one is still working, but I think we're just going to change all of them. You can see on this one there are no shorts. The swap delete. Okay, you can see there I'm measuring a diode drop there. Usually it's fine if it's like this. So if it's like this, usually it is fine. Okay, so this one is still fine, but the other ones are bad. So we're just gonna order them. I also tested the diodes. There's a couple of diodes there, but usually from my experience, never the diodes. But I just had to check and be sure. Okay, thank you guys for watching. What's up guys, so this is the Gene SP22 inverter that we were diagnosing yesterday. We have bought the IGBTs, we have put them. So now we are testing it. I didn't connect the switch, I just plugged it in directly like this. We're gonna find a proper cable to put here. So for the sort of testing, this is my input going straight to the bridge rectifier here. So when I plug it in, let me plug it in and see which. Okay, let me plug it in. Okay, this is me plugging it in. Okay. You can see there. Well, it's on, it's been protected, it's got the green light, so probably it's gonna weld, but we test the weld. Okay, so now we're just quickly testing that it's producing an arc. The weld is producing an arc, so this is my neutral, my ground line, and then this is where I connect to the positive. Okay, so it's back there, so the spark, then it's going to say fixed. Okay, thank you.